Hello there. So today is going to be a continuation of the building an actual game. So I was working on this sort of a Star Trek knockoff game, and what I've done now is I've figured out why my um, phaser was shooting at weird angles in the last one. I left it for a bit and I came back to it, but essentially if I open up this phaser and if I go here to edit points, for whatever reason, this origin point was deleted. I had the center point still, but there was no origin point. So it would just randomly create itself anywhere on the map. So I've got that fixed now. And I've since added a hit marker, some asteroids, and I've set up a hull strength meter which corresponds to the life value of your starship, and I have set up a laser recharge that is tied to the cooldown meter of the laser of the fire bullet action. However, it's not quite working right now. It completely deletes it all, so I'm going to have to figure out how to fix that. But I'll just show you what I've added into the events here. So what I've done is I've also added an engine glow. So whenever you hit a movement key, it's going to turn the engine glow on. And whenever you release the key, it's going to turn the engine glow off. I haven't organized these yet. I'm commented them out. I'm still working on it. So I've also changed it from the spacebar to fire to the left mouse button fire. It just seemed more natural when I was testing, especially using the WSAD keys. I thought the spacebar would be good for shooting, but because you're aiming with the cursor of the mouse, it just seemed more natural to shoot using the left mouse button. And basically, it's just going to point at the cursor, X cursor and Y cursor here, and it's going to shoot towards wherever that cursor is located. I'll probably change out the cursor for like a crosshair or something, or a target point at a later date as I'm smoothing that out more. But for now, it gets my motion in. Then I've also set up the phaser collision with the asteroid. So it separates the two so that it won't continue to do damage, because even if you tell it to delete, if it's moving, multiple pixels will enter and trigger a new collision event. So I could do that as a trigger only once, but this is just as easy to do. So hit one position. Then on the health extension, apply 10 points of damage to the asteroid that has that behavior assigned. No shield, no armor assigned yet. Change the value of the red health bar to equals -10. So basically what happens is that every time you hit it, you're going to take 10 points off of its health bar. Then down here, if the asteroid is dead, delete the asteroid, wait 0.5 of a second, and delete the hit animation. Now I called up the hit animation separate from the, where did I do it here? Separate from the phaser. I had it as a separate animation in the phaser. But then I decided to make it separate, because what would happen is I'd delete the phaser and it wouldn't actually play the animation when I changed it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what all this looks like. There's the change the value of the blue bar by minus equals 10. And that's minus equals 10. I'm just going to show you that preview. So here we are. We move around with the WSAD key. And I've tweaked the flow to make it look more like a spaceship and have the inertia going. And you can see the engine light comes on there and sets up a glow when the impulse engines are set up. Shoot one, oh, missed. Shoot one, shoot two, missed. I'm going to let it hit me. There, it damaged me. You can see here the blue took some damage away from me. However, I haven't got this to disappear and to reattach to the other rocks. I thought I'd set it up for every instance, but I had not. So I'm just going to come here and shoot this guy. And you can see that I've got the firing point the same now. There, hit 1, hit 2. I must have hit it before. But you can see my laser recharge isn't working yet. I have to figure that out. Oop. Hit 1, hit 2, hit, missed. Hit 3, destroyed the asteroid. So that's what I've got so far. And I'm going to add a shield icon over here too, so then if you take hits, your shield, the whole ship will glow with the shield, and then it'll turn on and off when you get a hit and flicker. And then I can start building up levels and actually adding to some gameplay. But I wanted to get the mechanics down first. Now that being said, it's going to be a while before I do another video because on Sunday morning I'm flying down to San Francisco to go to the Game Developers Conference. So I won't be back for a little bit and I won't be doing any additional content for a few days. I plan to take a bunch of pictures, maybe a few videos while I'm down there. I have a Pixel 8, so it's got some pretty good cameras on it. And when I get back, I'll put together some sort of a GDC video and throw it up on my webpage or up on my YouTube. So on that note, have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.